All right, guys, Nick here. And the question today is, can you do surplus funds in the state of Wisconsin? And the answer is yes, you can. And I will show you a case that I completed there in my own business. So this case, we recovered 38,000. Now that was only half of the total surplus in this case. And I'll show you the court order here in a minute. Here's a picture of the property. This was a mortgage foreclosure, so a MO, mortgage overage. And the situation was the homeowner had passed away, and they had two children who were the surviving heirs, and they didn't want to continue with the mortgage payments or didn't want to keep the house. And so it ended up going to an auction. And after all was said and done and the bank got paid off, there was a little less than 80,000 left over. Okay. Now we signed up one of the heirs first, got them their half, their 50%, and that's what you can see here in the court order. And then you can see the remaining surplus funds of 38,000 was held by the court, remained with the court, and now we're working with the other heir in this case. So kind of the takeaway there, in addition to can you do surplus funds in Wisconsin? Yes, you can. But another takeaway you can get from this video is you can do partial claims, meaning you can sign up one person, help recover their portion, sign up another person later on and recover their portion. You don't have to sign everybody up that's entitled in order to start the process. You can do partial claims, okay? Um, Obviously, estate cases can be a little more complex, a little more moving parts, but they can also be very profitable. And guys, if you have any other questions about surplus funds in Wisconsin or any other state, reach out to me or watch some of the other videos showing you what states have I completed surplus funds deals in. You can also reach out to me, DM me, email me, nick@overagesyndicate.com. Definitely check out my training if you are getting started with surplus funds. It'll set you on the right path and help you succeed. So appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video.